Hello students, welcome to this quick video session about cell theory. The formulation of cell theory was a major breakthrough in cell biology. It was proposed independently by German botanist Matthias Jakob Schleiden in 1838 and German zoologist Theodor Schwann in 1839. Initially, they proposed that all plants and animals are composed of cells which serve as the basic structural and functional units of life. The cell theory was further modified by another German biologist named R. Virchow in 1855. Let us go through the main postulates of complete cell theory. Firstly, all living organisms are made up of cells, the smallest unit of life. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all organisms. Cells are the physiological and organizational units of all living organisms, as all the metabolic activities of organisms are performed within the cells. Cells are the hereditary units and maintain continuity of life through the hereditary material in them. New cells arise only from the pre-existing cells. So the cell theory comprises of all these 5 main postulates. Stay tuned for all upcoming biology videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all our future notifications of videos.